See more Air 3 night images of Philadelphia at the end of this video. Hello and welcome to One Fly JC. If you fly this, or thinking about buying either one of these drones, you no longer need to purchase a remote ID module. Even though both these drones had the ability of broadcasting the remote ID signal, because DJI had not done their homework and made sure that these drones was on the DOC list. That's the declaration of compliance before putting it out here on the market for us to spend hundreds of dollars buying them and then go out here and spend more money to be able to fly legally. Prior to a few days ago, if you're flying without a third-party module, you could have been violating the law. I will say that DJI customer service is pretty good, but they simply have to stop putting unfinished products on the market. The following is a list of DJI drones that are on the Declaration of Compliance list. And it's good to see that the Air 3 and the Mini 4 Pro are on that list. Alright folks, thanks for watching, and if you got anything of value from this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video.